Negative absolute infinity.
Negative infinity. Negative Googleplex.
-1 millennium. -1 nongennovemna nagentillion. -1 nongentillion. -1 octingentillion. -1 septingentillion. -1 sexentillion. -1 quingentillion. -1 quadringentillion. -1 tricentillion. -1 ducentillion. -1 centillion. -1 nonagentillion. -1 octuagentillion. -1 septuagentillion. -1 sexagentillion. -1 quinquagentillion. -1 quadragentillion. -1 googlol. -1 trigentillion. -1 bigentillion. -1 decillion. -1 nonillion. -1 octillion. -1 septillion. -1 sextillion. -1 quintillion. -1 quadrillion.
Negative billion.
-1 quintillion. -1 quadrillion. -1 trillion. -1 billion. -1 million. -100,000. -10,000.
-1,000.
-100.
-10.
-9.
-8.
-7.
-6. -5.
-4.
-3.
-2.
What's happening in between 340?
-1. -0 point.
Never get super surprised. Never get
5. -0.
Negative infinity.
-1 millennium. -1 nongennovemna nagentillion. -1 nongentillion. -1 octingentillion. -1 septingentillion. Billion. -1 septingentillion. -1 sexentillion. -1 quingentillion. -1 quadringentillion. -1 tricentillion. -1 ducentillion. -1 centillion. -1 nonagentillion. -1 octuagentillion. -1 septuagentillion. -1 sexagentillion. -1 quinquagentillion. -1 quadragentillion. -1 googlol. -1 trigentillion. -1 bigentillion. -1 decillion. -1 nonillion. -1 octillion. -1 septillion. -1 sextillion. -1 quintillion. -1 quadrillion. -1 trillion. -1 billion. -1 million. -100,000. -10,000.
-1,000.
-100.
-10.
-9.
-8.
-7.
-6. -5.
-4.
3.
-2.
What's happening in between 340?
Negative 1. Negative 0.5. Negative.
Infinity negative 2. Infinity negative 3. Infinity negative pi. Infinity negative 10.
19.
Brandoro.
Quadruple negative 1.
Quadruple negative 2. Quadruple negative 3. Quadruple negative pi. Quadruple negative 10.
Double negative 1.
Double negative 2.
Double negative 3. Double negative pi. Quadruple negative 10. Double negative 100. Double negative 1,000. Double negative 10,000. Double negative 100,000. Double negative 1,000. Double negative 10 million. Double negative 100 million. Double negative 1 billion. Double negative